it's the coroners outside, okay? With that being said, you need to stay home, but that don't mean you need to be looking dusty. So today we're about to go over how to do your own eyebrows at home. That way you don't need to be going outside and getting sick, okay? All the items that I am showing you right now will be listed in the description box, okay? Okay. You're touching on me. I don't want nothing else. You want us. So the first thing I like to do, of course, is to brush my eyebrows in the proper direction and outline them. It's kind of like as if you were doing your actual eyebrows, but you don't need to fill it in. Don't be wasting no product. This is gonna tell you basically what you want your eyebrows to look like, what shape you're gonna give them. It's basically like making a stencil. Now look at you in my bed before we were on the same page. Now, the wax had been warming up for a little bit. Make sure it's not too hot, but I take one of the little wax sticks that I got on Amazon and I put that on my, well, under my eyebrow. So this is basically like the second step when doing your eyebrows and you take concealer to clean it all up. That's essentially what you're doing with the wax. Be careful though, because in the beginning I be forgetting how to do it, and sometimes, you know, I might not hold my skin tight when I'm about to rip the thing off, and then I be hurting myself. So make sure that when you put the little wax strips on, you are rubbing it on in the direction your hairs grow, and then you peel it off / rip it off in the direction your hair's, the opposite direction of your hair's growing. But you need to hold your skin tight when you about to rip it off, or you will rip off your skin, I promise, okay? Then of course you're gonna go ahead and do the top. So you just do the bottom and you do the top. But when you're doing the top, be careful, please. This is a dangerous game. This is a dangerous game. This is a dangerous game. See, I was using wax that started to cool down, and it started to basically get like a hot glue gun and, you know, stringy and stuff, and it was getting in my hair. Please be careful. Make sure that it's warm enough, okay? And then hold your hair back. All your edges. Hold it back, please. Trust me. Take it from me. Hold your edges back. Okay, when I'm doing the other side, I done warmed the wax up a little bit more, but this time I didn't use enough wax in the beginning, so I had to go back in and get more. Just as a little note, if you're about to go back in to get more wax, or if you're doing another spot of your eyebrow or whatever, each time you go in to get more wax, get a different wax stick, okay? You do not want to go putting the wax on your face and then dipping it back into the thing. Even if you're only like gonna be using the wax on yourself, like, it's just good hygiene practice. Just use a new stick. They ain't expensive. Nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going down. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get on. See, that one hurt. That one hurt, but it looked clean. Look at it. Looks like you got a new eyebrow. With the
top down, screaming money, anything. We up to the 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's no lie. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, gon' slide, gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, gon' slide.
Basically, my edges and my eyebrows connect. Okay, I got some of my edges out with that one. And as you can see, that was the moment I knew I done messed up. Let's see the edges. This is why, people, that we hold our edges back. Because when I was feeling like I knew what I was doing and getting a little lazy, I done ripped some of my edges out. Don't be like me, okay? Do as I say, not as I do, please. Okay, now that that's all done, I take some wipes. These are like no-lint wipes. You can use a cotton ball or whatever. And I put some of that oil that I showed in the beginning that came with the whole set on those wipes, and I wipe my eyebrows and the surrounding areas. This oil basically gets rid of all the extra wax and stuff that was still on your face, and it'd be soothing it a little bit, making it look all good for some reason. I don't know why. And then I just brush my hairs back out, and then I start to tweeze my eyebrows, cleaning it up, getting any spots I might have missed or that I was scared to get with the wax. And I'm so sorry, you guys. Like, I'm so annoyed with myself watching this that I didn't know I was not in the camera when I was plucking my eyebrows. Like, sis, you only had one job, and it was to be in the camera, and you're not in the camera.
How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page.
So then I come back with my hair did, my face washed, okay? You need to make sure you wash your face or you will break out around your eyebrows. Or maybe that's just me, I don't know. But then I put some Nivea Soft Face Body Moisturizer on my face. That is the only, period, only moisturizer I will put on my face. It be doing God's work. I don't know why, but it does. And then I came back hours later after I've done my makeup. You know, I lightly filled in my brows or whatever. You know, have my little inches, lashes, and we're just gonna ignore my eyeshadow. We're gonna ignore that, okay? But point is, your girl looks cute. Corona who? Coronavirus. I need to stop doing. In all seriousness though, be safe, and thank you so much for watching.